is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you a solar security light. So in case you guys are looking for a solar security light, then definitely this review will help you. So this one is motion sensor solar light. So it's an Amazon product. So let's open it and see how it looks. It's the user manual, and this is comes with this screw, and this is the solar panel. You can adjust the solar panel, and this is the light heads are also adjustable. You can adjust the light heads, and this is so it has a motion sensor, and this is the package. You can put the screw in the wall and put this light, and all are like adjustable. That's really good. Like everything is adjustable. And this one too. So let's put it in the outside, and I will check how it works, and I will show you in the evening how this light looks. So guys, you can see I just put the lights here. I mean, this is not the proper way to put the light here. I tried, but I cannot put drill in the wall. That's why I put here. But you have to put it somewhere where the solar panel gets enough sunlight. So here it's getting enough sunlight, I think. So we'll check in the night how. Really dark here. So here is the button. You just have to press the button. So now here the light is turned on. Yeah, this is how the lights. Yeah, this is. So there is no other light on that side. So this is how the light works, and you can change the direction. Where I needed the light to that side, so that's why I put there. I turn off all the lights just to see how it works, and yeah, I think it looks fine. Yeah, this side is working fine. Yeah, it covers like totally that area it covers, and also it's white light. That's why I really like, because I don't like the yellow lights. For me, I prefer the white lights. So if you don't like the white lights, then probably you don't like it, but for me, I really like the white lights. Yeah, it gives enough lights for this area. It has motion, so that's why I turn off after some night. So now I'll come back, and after waving here, then it works. So the motion sensor is also working fine. So yeah, it will turn off if there is no movement, then it will turn off. There is a motion sensor here, so if there is a movement, definitely the light will work. And you have to put the solar panel in such a way that it will get enough light. That you have to check. And yeah, I think it gets enough light for my porch area, and I really like it. Yeah, this is the area, you can see motion, so that's why I turn off. Let me go there and wave my hand, and it will work fine. Yeah, so the motion is also working. You can see, yeah, it covers pretty good amount of area. Yeah, it covers like pretty much like good area, because in there is, I turn off all the lights. There is no other lights. It's the only light that that is turned on, so we can see the coverage. Yeah, now the light. Yeah, now it's working. So I think this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.